Mr. Jeremy Fisher. A frog named Mr. Jeremy Fisher lived in a little house at the edge of a pond. One rainy day, he decided to go fishing to catch some minnows for supper. He stepped onto his boat, rowed out to a lily pad, and sat down with his fishing rod. After a while, Jeremy Fisher caught a fish, but it was a big stickleback, not a minnow. He was out of breath by the time the snapping stickleback jumped back into the water. A passing school of small fish laughed at poor Jeremy Fisher. He peered down into the water. Then something terrible happened. An enormous trout grabbed him and dived to the bottom of the pond. Luckily, the trout didn't like the taste of Jeremy Fisher's raincoat and spat him out again. Poor Jeremy Fisher lost his fishing rod, but he didn't mind, as he would never go fishing again. That evening, Jeremy's friends came for supper. Instead of minnows, they had roasted grasshopper, and no one minded at all. The end.